If you've ever worked with web objects, you know they're a powerful way to bring in external resources like videos, forums, wikis, SharePoint, shared documents into your rapid e-learning courses. Now we had a question, I received an email question from someone who was trying to insert multiple web objects into a course. Now, only one web object can be applied in a single slide, right? So in this case, they tried to insert multiple web objects, and then when you preview this, you're only going to see one of them. Well, there is a way to bring in multiple videos using an HTML page. So rather than trying to embed multiple videos, and here's an example of just the final product, rather than trying to embed 4 separate web objects, you can actually do this very simply by, let me just bring this up, creating maybe a table or a div, and then embedding your web objects 4 different times, or as many times as you want for the web objects to appear. So if I look at this, you can see I have 4 videos just applied, inserted into a table. So you can save this HTML file out, jump back over into, say, PowerPoint, and if we create a new slide, we can do insert web object. And then from here, all I need to do is link to that HTML page that I embedded those 4 in. So it's kind of a workaround, but it's a really easy way to get multiple videos in there. So you just want to go ahead and upload that video, that HTML page with the videos, to your web server, and then just reference that link in your HTML file. So in this case, I added that texture for the background since the web object is going to add its own background. But I called the page 2videos.html, and so I just type that link in right here, insert that link, click OK, and now I have a single web object, but embedded in that will be all 4 of those videos, or as many as I set up in my HTML page. So a real simple workaround for including multiple videos, and they all play. Of course, there's no way to control each of them independently, so you'd want to make sure your learners know to click pause and play each one as a single object. But it's a nice way to bring in multiple videos using a single web object.